Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade and the Ministry of Commerce and Industry has marked an entire week as the National Startup Day. Basically, the National Startup Day aims to engage startup ecosystem stakeholders across to support the spirit of entrepreneurship and innovation in India. As per the website of India, Startup India is the flagship initiative for the Government of India intended to catalyze startup culture and build a strong, inclusive ecosystem for innovation and entrepreneurship in India. So these range from the dedicated workshops for women entrepreneurs, training of incubators and mentorship workshops to the stakeholders, roundtables, capacity building workshops and startup pitching session and many more. The day is also commemorated to provide a platform for startup in India. The day is also provide a platform to discuss innovation for India youth and their contribution in the ecosystem of the country. It also marked to promote the importance of the startup initiatives and help them to be a part of the mainstream, encouraging young people to take up entrepreneurship as a primary career option is also an agenda behind this initiative. Now the question arises, what is the role of lawyers in the startup programs? So a startup venture could be defined as a new business. So there is an initial stages of operation being to grow and is typically financed by an individual or small groups of individuals. So we have lots of reasons why what kind of connections we have in the legal education to the startup. When we start up any kind of program, we need to learn there are contract laws, there are intellectual property right laws. For example, patent, how to do patent, how to claim our design, how to claim our copyright in particular business. So these are the chains we need to learn about the startups. Thank you.